So when it snows, ginger, which is very important, good stuff, and a little bit of tea. It is snowing, I want to have some nice hot chocolate. But then it's morning, I want to have coffee. But then ginger tea also I want to have. But then I have to settle for ginger tea because it's close to my heart. Jeez. You know when you stand, you feel a bit of depression. See? I feel so different here. This is the amazing stuff. Oh. Now this is the problem. You don't know where the road is. Is this the road? Or is this the road? Oh, the snow is not over here and the snow is over here. It's so different, yeah. Let's cross. Now honestly speaking, it's been almost 1 year and 3 months for me in UK, and what has happened is I have never seen snow, because when I was here in last December I didn't really see snow. I just saw hailstones. I saw hailstones, I got excited. I thought it was snow because I didn't see exactly how snow looks like. So then my colleagues told me, no, it's just frost, it's just hailstones. And then today when this snow falls, this literally feels so amazing. You see on TV, you tend to feel like even I want to imagine this someday, and when you see this, it feels crazy. I want to try making some snowballs. I don't know how it would turn up. You know, you don't really need to be a chef to make snowballs, so let's try it out. I'll go in the park and we'll do a little bit of this. Yeah, you can't really see, like, this is the park. There are some benches over there to sit. What I'm going to recreate, I'm going to try making basically a snowball over here, right over here. My hands are freezing, you know, it's so cold. So one ball here, another ball. What? Here. I don't know what I'm making, but let's see. Let's try. Nothing goes in trying, isn't it? If you try, keep trying. Fuck. Honestly, I need some training in making these balls. Yeah, my hands are freezing. It's become so red after making those Christmas balls. No, snowballs. What do you call them? Snowman. I really suck at it. But you know what? I'll come back. I'll try to make it perfect. It's kind of chilly. It's really chilly. Hands are becoming red. Let's go to another park. I know another park over there, which is just opposite. Let me see what I can get over there. The sceneries are lovely over there because it has long trees, and it has, you know, during the winter those leaves shed down. So all the leaves were there. So I want to see how that park looks. It must be looking really different. Of doggy as well enjoying this now. Freezing stuff. I won't lie to you, I feel this is Christmas for me because I haven't seen that much snow in Christmas, and you know, when the snow falls, it's a different feeling altogether. Yeah? It just makes your mind light. It just helps. Let's go further and see how is it. Casual guys, we know when you walk on the snow, there's a chance you can just slip, like. So that's very risky. I think there are special snow boots when you walk in the snow, definitely, like those spiky boots, like how in cricket you have those spiky ones. Not exactly similar, but kind of. I really don't know how the cars can go through this. This is literally where the cars can go, and there's so much danger, you know. But still, I asked one friend actually, is it dangerous? He's like, this is just a normal one, this is just a layer 1. The snow gets even more intense when there's layer 2 and layer 3, and that's when it goes on snowing continuously over a period of maybe 5 or 6 hours. Then it gets really dangerous. Yeah, that's Tesco's, by the way. This is where I withdraw my money and stuff like that over there. But anyways, we'll see that later. We'll go to the park and we'll see what I tried walking on that. Try to have fun. It's cool, man. Sitting away, standing away, doing stupid things. Look at that lovely tree. Everywhere it's snowing. Oh, just over there it's not snowing. And this tree is at such a beautiful place. If you see, it's all walls over there and just the tree. So if anyone comes from that side, they can literally see this amazing piece of beauty. That's another tree you can see. Everywhere snow except. Such a protector, isn't it? Such a lifesaver, yet still people want to cut the trees. You don't want to miss out on the best. Look at this boy, man. I don't know, I've probably seriously not done this, but this guy is really creative, man. Someone has even pushed a bottle inside there. Cute stuff, isn't it? Good stuff. So there are so many, so many snowmans. One, then you have over there two, if you can see, then 3, 4, 5. There's so many snowmans. And I'll tell you the best angle, the best way. This is the track usually in the summer. This is the track, and now this looks so different. It looks so different. Probably you have never seen, but this is the snowman seat, because it's a double chair for 2 people. So the snowman, once he gets kids, it's the reason because of this. He gets kids because of this chair. On this chair, magic happens. Magic. This is a magic chair for all the snowman, bro. Every snowman's house, you'll find this. This is where the kids get started. I've come to another park. Not much of the snowman here, but one snowman is over here. Ah, he's smiling at me. Naughty boy. Well, finally I'm going home. My house is somewhere over there, right over there. But guys, this is something amazing today which I seen today. I love it. I wish every day was snow. Not always, but summer's approaching soon in another 2-3 months. But nonetheless, and guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe for more videos. I'm going to see you all super soon. My first snow experience in UK. I'm sure y'all also must be having the similar one, isn't it? Take care. I'll see you super soon. I'm freezing. Bye for now.